guys, and we're doing an unboxing. Zomblings in the future.
And so we got
She's talking, I'll be doing this.
So we got 4 packs of these, and so we're grabbing up. No, 4. We've got 4 packs. All are here, and then we've got 2 of these, 2 big ones. So first we're gonna both open up one of these. We're gonna put them in.
So I've got 2 of these, and she's got 2 of these.
So we've got piles of 3 each. And do you want to open yours first?
Yep. You open yours. We'll be back when she gets the spicy. And
we're back.
So we just took the annual out.
We're going to show you that.
So I've got one of them, but I don't know where it is. I think my mum put it back in.
You show them what it is.
I just got this one. I'll go get the one in a minute that I got yesterday. Yeah, I got one yesterday. Now I'm a big fan of it. Now I'll open one more small one, and then she'll do 2 small ones, and then we'll get to it.
I hope we get legendary, ultra rare.
Yeah, I did say
or limited scissors.
I need to see it before you. What?
Wait there. I want to see if I can find it. I couldn't find your ice cream. What's your first one like? Where's your first one?
Oh, it's in my room somewhere. I've got it in there.
No, your first one that you just got. Thank you.
So, wait, I'm gonna put them both down. So we just got them 2 out of mine. That one's actually a rare. So yeah, we just got a rare and maybe a common. Might even got a legendary.
You can't get a rare. You can only get an ultra rare and a limited edition.
Okay, so we probably got an ultra rare are grey.
You know.
So onto her packets.
No, I'm doing it.
Oh, should I cut it?
Can you look for yours? Right, I'll do it. Okay. Right, so.
Got ice cream.
So I'm going to do my first one. Open. Okay, right, let's go. And we've got... Oh, we've got like a dragon.
What?
Like a
dog.
dog.
Dragon.
It's a dog.
Okay, pass it to me.
And I like it because it's got a really detail. I love the blue in it. It looks like it has baggy eyes, so it looks like it hasn't slept in a while.
Scarlett, pass it to me. I'll try find it.
Okay, right. So, on to the next one.
I think I just found it. Shouldn't this be a Monarch mutation? Tusco. That looks like it. Tusco.
No, that's not it. That's not it, I think.
Okay.
So, oh, this is a cool one. I think it's like a rotten banana. Rotten banana. I'm a banana.
I'm a banana.
I'm a banana.
I'm a banana.
Stop! Okay, right. They all have baggy eyes, so I don't think they've slept. It's funny. Right, so Alfie, you want to go on 2 big ones?
Wait.
Big packet?
Found
I'm
this
gonna put
one.
them all
Found
there.
this one in it.
Alfie, that is disgusting.
Found the ice cream guy.
Right, so...
There, but I haven't found the dog.
Do you want me to
Found
open
the
these?
dog. No!
Right, open yours then.
Okay, so we're on to the big packet.
There's 4 you can get. So you got 4 you can get. You got a motorcycle, I think an airplane, like a normal car and a speed car with a Zombling.
Oh, I got the motorbike.
Nice.
A gay motorbike.
Okay, right.
Wait, what's the Zombling though?
What's the Zombling?
Oh, it actually came with the motorcycle.
Yeah,
A
it comes
police
with a motorcycle.
officer.
Right, so I'm gonna open mine now.
So I've just got a police officer. Attention! Hello. He's in his mini vehicle.
So here it is. So
Vroom,
you
vroom.
open it. And I've got...
Want to trade?
Oh, I got like a little car. That's
Mine,
cute.
so we're trading.
Hey, no.
I bought them.
Here we go.
£4.50.
Oh, that is cute.
Yeah, I wasted £4.50 on this.
Oh, it's a girl.
It's probably backwards to you.
Yeah, it is.
How do you make it non-backwards?
Here we go now, we're done. Oh look, no, if you put it that way, then the cars go on them.
Oh. So we're really
This is an
sorry.
airplane.
Yes.
Really sorry, but we're gonna have to cut it short. But we've got this extra thing.
No, we're not. We're going to do something else in this time. We're not just going to cut it short.
We've got a giveaway, don't we?
Yep.
So, what should we give away?
I told you we're giving
Right.
away this motorcycle.
So we're gonna give away this motorcycle.
It's
purple.
actually, it's purple, not blue.
Yep, purple.
And this pink aeroplane car thingy.
Yeah.
Oh, and that came, and we are giving away that. That goes with the flying vehicle.
And we're gonna give away this one,
that goes
which
with the
goes with the motorcycle. So, if we get to 10 subscribers, then we're gonna pick
I
two of you
wanna get a bit
guys.
higher. I want to get to 15.
15. If we get to 15 subscribers, we're gonna give 2 of you. We're gonna give one of you this.
Subscribe.
And one the other
Subscribe and say where your address name, so then we can put it in the post office and say that name.
We promise we won't take it to anybody else. We swear.
The first 2 people to do it get.
Yeah, it's first 2 people.
We're not cutting it short.
First 2
What are
people.
you watching? What
I'm
are you
watching Vampire Diaries.
Okay, look, we're watching.
No, we're not. No. Right. Anyway, so. Anyway, first 2 people
I
subscribe.
need to go give that my other one that I got yesterday.
The first 2 people to comment down below saying Zombling Motor Guy gets the. So the first person to say Zombling Motor Guy gets it. And the first person to say Zombling Flying Girl, they get the Flying Girl. Flying Girl car. They get the Flying Girl car. So you better hurry up quick because it's probably gonna go quickly. Anyway, see you later, and we hope we'll make another video soon. So bye.